Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem in construction: squeaky and uneven floors. In this loft, we're laying Advantech subflooring sheets. And we've got Mike and Dale to help us to solve the issue today, so stick around and see how we're fixing it. The problem some people encounter is floors that just don't hold up. They creak and feel uneven, and it's frustrating for the homeowners, and it's not something that we want to do. It can happen due to moisture, weak subflooring, or poor installation. Our solution? Advantech subflooring. These sheets are game changers. They're moisture resistant, incredibly sturdy, and designed for a lasting, quiet floor. We've been using Advantech for years with fantastic results. It's a stiff subfloor that stands up to the elements and ensures a level, solid foundation for your finished floor. As for the tools, it's straightforward. Dale's using his Dewalt 20-volt cordless saw for his cuts, and Mike and I are shooting the sheets down with a Bostich pneumatic coil nailer. We start by ensuring our joists are square and true, solving the problem of any uneven surfaces like a high joist or a low one. Next, we plan our sheet layout, try to avoid any railroading of the butt ends along one joist. We measure, cut, apply adhesive to the joists, and then lay the sheets. Alignment's critical here, so we strike a chalk line for aligning the sheets along one edge in a straight line. Then we tack and nail the sheets down, maintaining 16-inch centers on all the joist work. Now it's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendation for nailing. And whether you're using some other subflooring or Advantech, you want to make it your business to figure out how many nails you need and where they need to go. And that's it. You've solved the problem of your squeaky, uneven floors with Advantech, proper adhesives, and the right amount of nails. So thanks for joining us today. If you've been dealing with a similar issue or enjoyed the solution, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, it helps me make future videos. Thank you.